Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can sign into your render account. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So after opening your browser, what you're going to do is go to the search bar and start typing render.com. After typing so, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Render. And in here, you will be able to see the option of sign in right here. Click on it. And after clicking on it, this page will open. And if you have signed up your account with any of those apps like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or Google, you can click on these buttons in order to sign in. But if you have signed up your account manually, just like me, you can add in your email address in here and then your password. First of all, add in your email address. And after adding your email address, click on this option and add in your password of your render account. After typing down your password, all you have to do is click on sign in. And just like this, here you can see you have now successfully been signed into your render account. You can click on this profile icon right here and you can see your email address right in here and you can tell that this is your account, and that is it. That is how you can sign into your render account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.